Good morning. This is day 2 of the cruise, and the waves outside are not very good. That's pretty bad. But, they say at 2 o'clock it's supposed to clear up, so we would be able to go outside. We still can, but it's not very safe out there, because it's like 12-foot waves. So, yeah. Well, I'll tell you what it's like when it clears up, and I'll probably do a ship tour for you guys today. You know, day 2 of being on the ship. It's a little bit wavy today. Let me show you what it looks like. Woo! You can really feel those waves. They might not look big to you, but you can really feel them on the ship. A lot of people are getting seasick, including like 2 of my friends. They're both sick from the movement of the boat. It's really bad. There's the bridge over there. Back to the ship. So, yeah. Planning on doing a ship tour tonight for you. I'm not sure exactly when I'm gonna do it. I might do it, let's see, probably around today or tomorrow-ish. I'd like to do it today because Bermuda is tomorrow, and I'd like to get out and see the island and get some shots for you guys, because I can go underwater with this camera, which is really cool. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. So we'll see you guys later. Like outside. Okay, so guys, I almost forgot to tell you that Bermuda is tomorrow, and the day after tomorrow is also Bermuda, and it's day 2 right now. So yeah, tomorrow we'll be getting to see the island, and I hope you guys will come with me. And yeah, basically that's all we're doing tomorrow. So yeah.